Hello, friend. I welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can install Adobe Photoshop plugin. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. And but before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about Photoshop topic, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as the tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can actually install Photoshop plugin on your PC. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing first you have to do is to locate your PC. You go to my PC right here. You click on that. Then this is going to pop up. So next step you have to take is to make sure you locate your disk folder. You click on that. Then you have to locate your program files. So my program file is on program file 86. I'm going to click on that. Then from very point here, you have to look for Adobe. After you get to this stage here, you have to go back to where you have your plugin. So this is my plugin right here. So first thing for you have to download the plugin from internet. It might be free plugin or paid plugin, whichever way. So you are going to have a file like this. So if you have a file like this, all you have to do is to click on the file and make sure you right click on the file. So when you can right click on the file, make sure you choose extract here. Okay. So the file in no time is going to extract. So this is what we need right here. So you have to click on this folder now and open up all the file. So this is the application we need for this particular plugin. Okay. So we have to go back to our program file now. So I have to go back to Adobe. Okay, so this is where we left, and you have to come back to your Adobe Photoshop. So I'm installed this particular plugin in Adobe Photoshop 2017. So you have to click on the file, then you have to look for plugin. You click on plugin. So it's open up your plugin folder. So you can easily come to the top here and minimize. And then you can easily drag it in one side. Then you fall back to the software folder, plugin folder, sorry. So you have to drag and drop it down here. So with that, the plugin is going to move into your program file. So from the very point here, you have to press enter key on the plugin application. So this is pump up. Next thing you have to do is to press yes. And the application plugin is going to run. Do you wish to continue? Just click on yes. With that, this is going to pump up and then you click on next again. So in no time, your plugin is going to install successfully. So you can see it right here. So make sure this is checked because this is a Photoshop plugin. Make sure this is checked. After that, you click on install. Then click on finished. You are done. So you can easily go back to your Adobe Photoshop and run your Adobe Photoshop and confirm the installation of your plugin. Eventually, if your Photoshop fully load, you'll be able to see your